You guys know what's going on. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't already guessed it, today is the day we finally install the wheels on the G80 here. The car is looking absolutely filthy. There's so much dust and pollen on it, but we got everything loaded up into the car. We had to put the wheel by itself in the front. Got 2 boxes down here and 1 in the trunk. So luckily everything fit. If you're wondering where our tires are at, we already ordered them straight to Kinetic, so we don't have to worry about taking them today. I'll show you guys what tires we went with for this car. But yeah, honestly, I'm excited. I'm just ready to get these wheels on. I think they're gonna change the look of this car completely. So I'm super excited. Let's head over to Kinetic, make this car look less stock now. And today's one of those days you can't really help but be happy, because I love stuff like this. So another thing I'm really excited about is the tires that we got. You guys can probably guess what tires we got. Everybody runs them on their G80 or their BMWs in general. I'll show you guys what those are, but I'm happy that we're finally gonna be able to get some traction, because we all know these Pirellis are trash. Whether it's dry, rain, snow, these tires in my opinion suck. So I'm really looking forward to getting on some nicer tires and seeing how they drive compared to these. So we just pulled up to Kinetic, and if you guys don't know, this is their shop SEMA Super build. This thing is absolutely nuts. Love the color on this. The wheels are even nicer. Those things are deep. And then you guys have probably seen that car on Instagram before. That's also a SEMA build from Kinetic, but Banga BRZ owns that. And we got the G80 right there. So waiting for my turn to come up. We'll get this thing inside and start make it look as cool as these cars, hopefully. So we just dropped the car off. We gave the keys over to the guys at Kinetic. Now it's just a matter of waiting and seeing how this car looks when everything is done. I am beyond excited. They got this racing sim here, and one thing I now know about myself is that I cannot race. I crashed so many times. It was also my first time using a racing sim, so I guess that's my defense. They got so many cars over here, but I will say the G80s, the G8X platform looks really nice in black. Like I'm not a fan of black cars usually, but it looks really good. And he has the same grill that I want, so I really need to speed up the process and get that already. But let's go ahead and show you guys the wheels. So you guys haven't seen them, but we ended up going with the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's. So we're gonna be running, which one is this one? Oh, nice. So yeah, so we got a 295. This is gonna be for the rear, and then we got a 285 for the front, and we're running a 30 sidewall for both. So we're switching away from the 19s in the front and going to a 20, and then sticking with a 20, and almost the same exact tire spec, other than us just going a little bit wider from a 285 to a 295. So with these, we're definitely not gonna ever have any issues with traction. And like I said, we're also getting an alignment, so that's why the car's up on the rack, and he's just putting on the wheels, and so far they look really nice. So I'll let them finish up. I'm not trying to get in their way, but they got a full house here. Looks like they got a lot of cars, so they're gonna try to finish this thing up as quick as possible and get it out. But I'm excited to see how the wheels look once they're on, because sitting here, they look great. He's also shooting for their Instagram. Oh, that looks fire. That looks good.
That looks great. That looks fucking great. Holy fuck, dude, that looks super good, dude.
The fitment came out perfect too.
The polish actually works really well with Island Man Green.
Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah, that's great, man.
Polish looks great on anything.
Just took a spin around the block, just make sure the alignment is good and everything is situated properly. So once they're back, I'll show you guys how the car looks a little bit more in detail. And these are the stock wheels here. So now we can actually send these off to get them polished like the plan is, but we are gonna get rid of these tires. So if anyone wants these, let me know, but that's the goal for these. I don't know, do I wanna keep a black set of wheels and then have the polish on the other car, or to have the polish set on the car and then keep these as like backup, or should I also polish these, seeing how good the polish looks on the car? I don't know why I keep pointing the camera up like the car's here, but it's not. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my God. Yeah, the polish was a good choice. I gotta drop it a little bit in the fronts. Ooh, right there in the sun too. Love that. Yeah, I gotta drop it a little bit in the front, but overall, I think it looks really good. You guys a better look once we get the car parked, but I do need to quickly drive to my brother's house, get his truck, and pick up the stock wheels so I don't leave them at the shop. But yeah, then we'll kind of park the car and get some nice shots of it, because I think this thing looks amazing. All right, so he walked out and saw it, right? But now I want to get his reaction. Go ahead.
Oh my God, that is actually beautiful. The fitment on it is crazy.
The fitment is perfect, honestly. Yeah, the back wheels are perfect. I need to drop the fronts like a tad bit more. It's on the stock mode right now.
The back wheels are crazy.
But yeah, the rears?
The fitment is perfect on the back.
Oh no, that thing looks crazy now. Orange calipers?
Orange calipers, that's what you were just saying. If it wasn't so sunny, you'd be able to see it a little bit better, but I'm super happy with it. Honestly, I just need to take this thing to like a shop or like a garage or something where there's not this like harsh sunlight, because right now it is super bright.
Like gas station at night.
Yeah, gas station at nighttime. That's when you guys will be able to see like how this thing actually looks. Everyone's running polish wheels. Right here, right here.
Trade yours for some polish.
I can get some polish.
One thing that I'm super happy that I did, I actually had to pay extra for this. Like I had to pay $500 to get the center board to the exact same size as the stock OEM emblem, so I could put that emblem in there. But I think it was money well spent, because now that looks fire. Let's see what he thinks about the wheels.
Yeah, it looks fire.
It looks real good.
So good. The competition, not the competition,
That
the
is so
anniversary.
nice.
It is,
A little bit, but oh my God.
yeah, I need to drop the front a little bit.
They pop so hard.
It makes the green look nicer too.
Yeah. Makes the entire car just look all that cool.
So we just pulled up to the car meet. We got a pretty nice parking spot right here. I think I might be the last one on this row, hopefully. Right now where you can see the wheels, but there's a bunch of nice cars here. People are loving the wheels and I'm super happy with it. See, I'm gonna call it here for this video. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys like the wheels on the green. I think it looks amazing, but I'm gonna continue recording for today on maybe for the next video, but stay tuned and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.